Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if your Schlage door lock unlocks when you press the Schlage button without entering a code. Now, this particular issue is usually caused by the lock setting problem, or sometimes it is due to programming problem or a recent reset. And in most of the cases, it can be easily fixed in just a few minutes. So first of all, you need to check the unlocked office mode. So if you have a model such as the Schlage FE595 or another keypad lever with an office function, the lock may be in the unlock mode. So you need to simply open the door and then you need to inspect the interior thumb turn or lock controls. Then switch the lock back to the normal locked position and then you just have to simply test it again. Now, if the issue still persists after doing this, you just have to simply verify the vacation mode settings. So some of the Schlage smart locks include the vacation mode and other access settings that can affect the keypad behavior. So you need to simply open the locks menu and the mobile application depending on your model. Afterwards, you need to verify that there is no unusual access settings has been enabled. Now, sometimes the temporary software issue can cause the unexpected lock behavior. So in that case, you can just simply remove the batteries and you need to simply disconnect the battery and you need to simply wait for at least 30 seconds, then reconnect the battery and allow the lock to restart. So after the lock powers back on, you can test the keypad again. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Schlage lock is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.